So if you go and watch all these YouTube videos on starting a product, business, or brand, what you're not gonna see is that part where you have to wire $3,000 or $30,000, whatever the number is, to a factory that's 9,000 miles away, run by people you've never met, and just hope. And that can be a step that kills a lot of these product businesses just getting off the ground, whether it's as bad as actually getting ghosted, or just you've never met them and the quality is not what you had in mind. And so today I'm going to show you a platform that does that scary part. We're going to go step by step through that process, do it live, do it with AI, in fact, doing most of the work, and then go from the product idea to a verified quality manufacturer with an actual inquiry that we'll send by the end. That's going to be the video. Let's go. So before we jump into my computer, here's the setup. The product idea is a pair of wireless earbuds, very standard kind of product that you may sell. It's private label, decent specs, nothing crazy. And as opposed to the standard way of going about finding manufacturers with the problems I just mentioned, the platform that we're going to use and demo in this video is called Made in China at madeinchina.com. And I had the opportunity to partner with them for this video. Now, they are one of the largest B2B sourcing platforms in the world. And so since 1998, they have been connecting manufacturers in China with international buyers and business owners. And specifically, we're going to use their tool called Sourcing AI that came out recently to go through the platform and find verified suppliers, again, with most of the work delegated to AI. So that's the context you need. We're going to jump into my computer to walk through this process step by step. And now this is fully free to use, so what I suggest you do is follow along with the demo while you're watching this video, so by the end you know exactly how to do this because you have already done it as well. And for that, go to made-in-china.com or this link on the screen, and then just follow me step by step. And that in mind, let's jump into my computer. We are at made-in-china.com. And then here you can see the AI kind of chatbot interface that you're used to, but applied to the sourcing engine and products of the platform. And what this unlocks before we get into the vetting, the protection side of things that I mentioned earlier in the video is just, hey, if you want to find products, you could do that conversationally. So we're going to say something like this, just, hey, generally speaking, what do I want? What's my idea for my product? In this case, that's wireless earbuds with noise cancellation, long battery life, and then my MOQ and my target unit cost specs. So let's click start and we'll see how the sourcing AI flow returns and vets for the specific products. And we can see that here. The first thing it does is it takes these requirements that can be vague or non-specific in whatever prompt we give the system, and it converts that into a specific broken out delineated list of said requirements. So we can see originals right here, and then it'll pull in the context of what it found during its search, like, hey, there's a significant conflict in price, whereas getting something that has the battery life and noise cancellation at under 15 is really hard. So it understands, in a sense, the product category and what's out there. Let's click next. And we can also see here, this is super useful. It says, hey, there are different kinds of noise cancellation. Do you know specifically what you want? And I could ask it, for example, hey, what does, let's do that here, what does hybrid ANC mean? And it could give me more of that kind of context. Now, before we do that, we can see the suppliers that do match those requirements here. If we switch products, we can see the products as well. And let's dive a little deeper there, right? Again, what it starts by doing is breaking down your request into a set of requirements. So if we click right here, we can see those requirements and then how each supplier or product matches up to that set. So all of these match 5 of 7, goes down to 4 of 7. If we go to the products right here, we can see the price points there as well. Now for the second stage to solve that problem of not knowing the legitimate nature or quality of the factory, if we click on any of our suppliers and we scroll, we can see things like this, where the factory, the products, the quality is verified by third-party international agencies. And that is part of the platform in the AI sourcing process, where you want to look for these audited suppliers to de-risk sourcing as a whole. You can see that right here. We have audited supplier. via these inspection agencies. We can go to one other one as well just to see what that looks like. And you can see right here under the name, that audited checkmark. That's what you want to look for in this process. Again, this means they're a real factory, they're not some middleman, and they pass certain quality and inspection checks. So then going back to this audited first factory that we looked at, what we can do is click Chat Now with AI, and this is where we actually make contact with AI to finish off the sourcing AI flow. So let's send a message like this, right? Can I get a physical sample before placing a larger scale purchase? So you can autofill it with AI. Let me just add, and then what's your MOQ, minimum order quantity, and we'll send that message. So that's the whole flow for with AI, finding actual verified suppliers and factories that are quality. Now the last stage, or the last part of the supplier flow, an initial order to de-risk, is just still things can go wrong. And so what's the solution here for that? That is the last component here, and that is this service that's called secured trading. And that means exactly what it sounds like. You are guaranteed to receive your product. And so payments are protected, as kind of think of it as insurance through this flow. So for any delivery or product issues, you can get a refund. The actual payment side of it is secure, and you get a service guarantee. So you can never pay and just get nothing, because those funds being released on the seller side are tied to the product being organized, shipped, and then received by you as the buyer. So net, that's the whole flow, right? You've de-risked the finding of the product, the supplier themselves, and then finally the order. Now overall, here's my take on something like this. What it is, it's a tool, it's AI. It de-risks sourcing. It lets you use these verified manufacturers and find them easier. What it absolutely does not do is remove that work of building the business. What will make your sourcing succeed or not is in part the manufacturer, but it's also, did you pick the right product? Is the angle, the product market fit, the customer base, the market discovery, the marketing, is all of that there? So it does not remove that risk, it does de-risk sourcing. So if you do physically source goods, this is going to be a solution for you. And so overall, that's one session. We start with an idea and we end with these verified manufacturers with AI. That's the process on a lot of that scary part of sourcing de-risk. Now that in mind, you can go try this for yourself. Again, it's free if you haven't already been following along at made-in-china.com. And what I want you to do is drop a comment with a product idea you have, or a product you may want to go source for a future business of yours. That in mind, I appreciate y'all being here, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.